Beneath the illustration of Skruy Forest Studios lays the sketches that transpire from the deeper side of the writer's imagination. The unusual drawings that best describe the inconclusive concepts. The preternatural pictures of unearthly proposals. So journey with us as we animate our way through the inconceivable, the oddity that is Skruy Forest's scrap pile. Today's story is about an elder Floridian woman, whom in her loneliness decided to become an Uber driver.
Oh, well, it's time to pick up some riders. Let me get a car wash. Ah! Whoa. Excuse me.
Oh, hello.
Sorry to bother you, but could you please tell me where the water from your car wash comes from?
Well, funny you should ask. Normally we get it from our regular source, but since that drought, we had to get it from the local De Leon River.
De Leon?
Yeah, it's named after Ponce de Leon. He was the guy that back in 1513 looked for the Fountain of Youth. You know, supposedly, he settled in this area right here.
Really? Okay, where to, folks?
Oh, just a quick ride. We need to get back.
Okay, just need to make a quick stop.
I think something's leaking back here.
You guys ready to go back?
Actually, could you take us to the park? I'm feeling very energetic.
Absolutely. Oh, sorry. I'm picking up an elderly couple.
Just drive, lady. Hey, I didn't say stop at the car wash.
Well, I think I'll do better at parenting than yours did. Come on, let's go get a car seat.
Thanks for watching. Come again the next time you would like to visit the unknown that is Skruy Forest's scrap pile.